Normally, we would do this activity live with our students and let them play, but for the sake of this video, Mr. Coburn and I will take turns playing the game. We set up our course in the hallway in Center 63. Mr. Coburn is going to go first. We will keep track of time as well as the number of hits. Wow, that was awful. What sort of techniques did each of the players use for this round? Were they effective? What are the most effective ways to hit the ball? Now let's have the players try again. Here are the results for round 2. Here are the scores for the 4 rounds we played. The scores got better as we played more. Answer the following questions on the notes pages in your binder. If we played another round, do you think the scores would get better again? How low could the scores possibly get? What are the limiting factors? What are the strategies that we tried to employ to score well?